Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I look a bit different than I usually look because we are in Utah right now and we're currently going up the canyon to go to Austin's cabin. Let me show you outside though, it's a bit wild. It is going to be snowing the entire time we're here. There's the mountain that you can barely see and the snow is currently falling. Austin lost his voice, so he probably won't be speaking this vlog. We're having a good time. Utah's so cold. I don't know how I lived here. My nose gets like boogers stuck in it 24/7. My face feels so dry. I just miss my Florida humidity, but it's so beautiful here. I was saying that when I first visited Utah, I was just kind of like in shock because growing up in Florida, when you see a mountain for the first time, it is just like the craziest thing to see, and I feel like I'm still not used to it. It's so beautiful. I'm just currently happy that I don't have to spend a whole winter here. Is probably my takeaway. But fill you guys in, right now we are headed up because we're meeting a photographer to go take some photos at his grandma's cabin, and I'm gonna show you guys, but it's the cutest cabin in the world, so I'm so excited. I'm just worried because I can't really last in the cold and it's gonna be freezing. So wish me luck. I'll check back in as we go up. Wait, look how crazy that is. That is so pretty. Let me show you guys out the window because we're starting to get higher up in the canyon and it's starting to get so pretty. You're not gonna believe it. Look how beautiful that is. The snow on the trees never gets old. That is just so gorgeous. This whole drive is the best. There's already one accident with the bus turned towards them. So we went all the way up to the cabin and I stopped recording as soon as I saw that bus because we started to slip and slide everywhere. It was so bad. There's no way we could have parked. So we've come down to an equally pretty spot and we're gonna go take some photos by ourselves because our photographer can't make it either. That's how bad the snow is. Ooh, there's a snowplow.
Would have been nice 15 minutes ago.
Okay, look how pretty this place is. It is a literal snow globe everywhere around here. How you feeling?
Cold.
Honestly, I don't feel that cold. Back in my Utah roots. Oh, the snow's getting my eyes. So pretty! Fortunately though, we have to leave before we get snowed in, so. Do you miss living here?
No.
Too cold?
Yes.
We just drove up the canyon from Austin's grandma's house, and let me show you how beautiful this is. I can't believe like this was literally 2 minutes away from the house. And it's a little trail where dogs can come, so there's so many dogs here just running off leash, which is so much fun because you could never, ever, ever do that in Florida. And it's just stunning. We just got back from driving to Park City, and now I'm gonna make my first ever snowman. I think we attempted to make one once.
Yeah, the snow was no good. Oh, that didn't
That
even break.
just hurt. Wanna try you?
This thing is hard.
Got it. All right, put her on.
Well, you need 3.
She's a fall snowman.
All right, we need 1.
We need sticks and a carrot. But we need a carrot or else it's not a snowman. And we need eyes. I found a little arm. I just need to find another.
Okay, that's not an arm.
That is an arm. It'll be one arm.
It's okay. We accept everyone.
Can't take that.
It's already dead.
All right, we got 2 arms. Beautiful. And beautiful. Now she needs a face. All right, we need 2 rocks. We could give her berries for eyes, or is that supposed to be her mouth?
I'd probably do the mouth.
I always wondered why there were berries on Christmas things, but I bet it's this tree with the berries. Alright, let's start with this handful. Not looking too good, is it? My hands are so cold.
Alright, that's all she wrote.
You get it right, huh? Austin's made it this game. Who can hit closest to the door? Alright, Austin, you go. I didn't make it the door.
Oh, it was close for a second.
Alright, here are all our shots. I'm way out here. The game is to try to get to this latch, and that's the one Austin just got. Pretty good. I love you.
Love you too, bird. Why did he just call her bird?
Austin calls me Bird, and so does his brother Aaron. One of my favorite movies, As Many Girls as a Notebook. There's the line, if you're a bird, I'm a bird. So Austin says, if you're a bird, I'm a bird, so you must be Bird. Hence the nickname, Bird. And then when Outer Banks came out, and John B's dad called him Bird, I was like, what the heck? I'm Bird. And I'm also missing a father.
That's a story for another day. If you know, you know. Yeah!
You didn't even see it! Got me in the head. Today is our last day in Utah. I've gotten so sick, guys. I feel terrible, but I'm not gonna waste it. So we're going snowboarding today, which is probably the worst possible thing I could do for myself, but look how pretty the mountains look. I can't pass up on going back up there. And we would have done it a different day, but there's been a snowstorm up in the mountains the whole time, so it hasn't been really the best for driving with a small car. And today Austin's cousin and aunt are going, so they're gonna pick us up and we're gonna go up there with them. And I'm really excited. I'm not very good at snowboarding, but I think it's fun. So right now we just have to get ready. First up, we have a simple base layer. I'm also gonna add on these little fleece pants. I wanted to try to fit on these sweatpants too, but we'll see if they'll fit. The most common thing I would do when I lived in Utah was wear way too many layers, and then I would look like a marshmallow and everybody else would look so cute and pretty. Don't know if this will work, but I'm putting on the sweater. Hopefully it'll keep me warm. And then my hoodie. And now I gotta test if my snow pants can fit over. Then I'll just have this coat on top. And this. And these. Oh my gosh. Time to go, I guess. We just picked up our boards. Austin, say hello.
What's up? Back in my element.
And we're ready to go. It's honestly not cold at all. I'm really hot. I'm being honest.
I got a short sleeve shirt on.
Let's get out there. Woo!
Finally breathe.
The snow looks good on you.
Where do I have it?
No, you look good in the snow.
Oh, thanks. For some reason that wasn't the case when we lived here.
I think it's because you got a nice tan going. I feel like,
Fat.
no,
Ill.
no. Everyone that has a nice tan in the snow looks good. We made it onto the lift. I feel like I'm a little bit shaky. Like something feels wrong, but what do you think, Aust? It feels icy.
It just snowed 14 inches yesterday. It's not icy.
Well, it feels icy, but look how beautiful this is. It's like picture perfect. Love it. Here we are just sitting at the top of the mountain. So pretty. That's where I keep falling. Here we go.
Alright, let's go.
this run, Austin, it's like he never left. He's always good at everything he does. Me, I stink. Here's the thing, I don't know how to go on my toes. That's kind of important for snowboarding. So I kind of just leaf my way down. But Austin's gonna teach me toes, right? Austin, right?
Right.
I didn't need that. I go slower than everybody, so everyone has to wait for me. I'm going as fast as I can. Woo. This is basically how I make my way down. Just leafing my way through the line. And then Austin has to wait for me. Just crying because I'm so bad at snowboarding. And Austin's so good. Here I am, post-cry. I think it's the last run of the day. How are you feeling?
Warm.
Oh, it's so hot. I am sweating, but I asked to go put my stuff back and nobody took me.
True.
But still gorgeous. It's so nice out. The sky's blue. It's so warm. Honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better day. Don't you agree?
I agree.
And like sometimes I have fun and sometimes I don't have fun.
That's just life.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a learning curve. You know, I'm just a Florida girl. Can't be good at everything.
Not true.
Austin's good at everything. So stupid. And now tonight we go home. We have to make a few returns. We have to eat out with our friends. I mean family. Our family friends. And then we get on a plane and we fly all night long. I can't wait.